Right, good day, good day, good day. I want to revise with you this question that I have right here. The question is on wetlands. We are still on ecosystem. The question is on wetlands. So I am going to read the questions and I'm going to give you most appropriate answers. All right, the first question is saying, what is or what are wetlands? The question is saying, what are wetlands? In other words, they are saying, what is a wetland? Right, I am going to give you a proper definition for wetlands. A proper definition for wetlands. Right, wetlands, this is a land which is periodically or permanently water-lodged. Right, is a land which is permanently or periodically waterlogged. Right, how do we mean by saying periodically? Periodically, it means that land can be waterlogged for a certain period, right? Or that land can be waterlogged for the whole year or throughout the year. That is permanent. Which means each and every time you check on that land, you see that there is water that is static. There is water that is not moving. There is water that is gently flowing anytime. But a wetland also can be called a land which is periodically waterlogged. So what is the proper definition of wetlands? You can define wetlands as a land which is periodically or permanently waterlogged. Or you can say, this is the land with water that is gently flowing. Or this is the land with water that is static. Static there, it means not moving, which means the water is not moving. So all those places, they are called wetlands. They are called what? Wetlands. So the next question is saying, what is the importance of wetlands in Zimbabwe? What is the importance of wetlands in Zimbabwe? That question. Okay, wait. Right, the first importance, in other words, they are asking about the significance of wetlands in Zimbabwe. That is the importance of wetlands in Zimbabwe. Or they can ask this question and say, why conserving ecosystem in Zimbabwe is so important? Why conserving ecosystem in Zimbabwe is so important? They are just asking the same question. Let's go into detail of how to answer this question. Right, the first point, why ecosystem is important, why wetlands are important. Number one, wetlands, they are very, very important. Why? Because they act as fire control. They act as fire control. So for example, paita natural fires, kana angosvika chete panzvimbo ine wetlands, moto ndo paunomira. So they act as fire control. Number two, they prevent floods. Why do they prevent floods? Because the water there is not moving, is static. So when the water that is flowing in a steep slope reaches a wetland, that water will stay in one place, will be stationary. That water will not move. So in other words, we are saying wetlands are very, very important. Why? Because they prevent wetlands. Number three, wetlands, they are very important in Zimbabwe. Why? Because they encourage or promote the growing of water-loving crops. Growing of water-loving crops, or the so-called cereal crops. For example, rice. Those crops that require a lot of water to be grown. Wetlands, they are there to promote the growing of such what? Of such crops. What else? We talk about wetlands promoting recreational activities. They promote recreational activities. Wetlands also promote fishing. fishing is done due to the presence of what? Of wetlands. Wetlands also can be a source of foreign currency. How? Through tourist attraction. Wetlands are so, and because of that, it attracts many tourists, and as a result, we earn foreign what? We earn foreign currency. Also, wetlands, they promote hunting activities. Those are luxurious activities. For example, hunting, for example, fishing. They promote all those things. Right? My wetlands also, they are very, very important as they absorb all the pollutants in the water, thereby providing clean what? Clean water. Those are the importance of what? Of whether I think this question, it says, what is the importance of wetlands in Zimbabwe? That is 7 marks. But let us add up some points here. It provides habitats for animals, especially the aquatic what? The aquatic life. And also, what else can we talk about when we talk about wetlands? Wetlands, they prevent soil erosion. They prevent soil erosion. Those are the importance of what you call what? Wetlands. And also, they beautify the environment. They edify the beauty of the what? Of the environment. Thereby making the environment pleasant to stay. Those are the importance of what? Of wetlands. Let us meet in our next lesson. Please, after watching this video, as usual, share to your friends. If you can also do a liker, just like the video, and also do a subscriber, just subscribe. And don't forget to share. We really appreciate your comments. We really appreciate your comments. I'm waiting for your comments, right? For geography on ecosystem, we're going to end here. But if you want more information, if you want to do online lesson, you can contact us in the number that is on the screen. The number that is on the screen, you can contact us there. I think for today, we are done. Thank you.